want to create smooth transition between clips in Instagram Edits app? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So here's how you can create a smooth transition. Start by heading over to your application edits. Make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Click on the plus icon at the bottom right corner and then choose any of the specific video that you want to edit, or you can choose it from the imported videos. Once the video has been imported, now if you want to add the transition between the clips, then what you want to do is simply click on this white icon between the clips. Different effects of transition will be visible to you. If you scroll down, you'll get to see more. From here, you can choose any of the specific transition edits that you want to add. Let me choose this one for now. Once selected, tap on the stick icon. And there you can see that the transition has been added. And the transition is also smooth enough. Likewise, add another transition between the clips. You can select different effects. And there you go, the transition has been added again. So this is simply how you can create smooth transition using edit apps. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.